There's a settlers museum here off the trail. This is pretty cool. There's a bunch of old farm equipment. The root cellar.
Better maintained, huh? Ghost just even the fish got it.
The knees, yep. Like that. Don't forget to throw out your trash, ladies.
Yeah, I just did.
Food. We got our first real hits. We're going to Subway. Check out this suspension bridge. This is really sick.
Such a nice spot.
Look at this little guy. You can barely see that. There's a big ass rattlesnake on the trail, and I almost just stepped on it. I backed up, and I really don't want to get like much closer to it. But where is it? Yeah, you can like hardly see it there in the grass, but it's there. There, now you can see it kind of moving. It's a big boy. Get out of here. See that black part on the end of its tail? That's its rattle. I'm glad it rattled at me because I would not have known. Probably would have bit me. There must have been a forest fire or something here. There's all these burnt and dead trees. It's crazy. $700 miles. Here's Dragon's Tooth in Virginia. Here's the view from Dragon's Tooth. Okay, I am walking through a cow pasture right now. It's beautiful. The breeze is really nice and cool. It's been a really good day. These past, I don't know, probably, well, a few weeks. Basically, ever since Damascus, I've been doing about 20 miles every single day. And I think that's starting to catch up to me. My feet are really starting to hurt bad at the ends of the days. My whole body's really sore. And I'm sleeping in longer, and it's like harder to get up in the morning. So I will be hitting McAfee Knob tomorrow, which I'm really excited about. And then after that, I'm gonna go into Daleville, and I'm gonna zero there. This will be the first 0 day since trail days. But trail days didn't really feel like a zero because just there was crazy stuff going on all the time. So it wasn't really like good rest. It was fun, but it wasn't like rest. So I'm gonna go to Daleville. I've got 2 nights in a hotel, and I'm just gonna rest. I'm probably not gonna do much of anything. Just lay down and sleep and eat nutritious food and not just only all the honey buns and tuna and stuff like that I've been eating. But things are going well. I just passed the 700-mile mark today, which is absolutely insane. It's crazy. Got to see that big rattlesnake yesterday. That was really cool. I saw a baby deer laying on the side of the trail yesterday at like towards the evening, but I decided not to film it because the mama deer was like right next to it, and it was like not happy with me passing already, so I just kept on going. But yeah.
I've really needed it. I've been in the woods many times.
This is McAfee Knob. So I've been doing 20-mile days for a while now. Pretty much ever since Damascus. So I felt really good for a while. Still feel pretty good, but my feet are really killing me. I took off my shoes yesterday, and my feet were like purple from bruising. I've got a couple blisters, and yeah, my feet are just in severe pain after like 15 miles. If I go any further than that, they're just not happy with me. So I'm headed into Daleville, and I'm gonna take a zero there. So got 2 nights at a hotel, and I'm just gonna chill for 2 days. Well, really 1 full day and like 2 partial days. And hopefully that helps. Should be able to upload a video, get some rest in, make calls and stuff. And I'm really looking forward to it.